Break 1841 for Panini 1 box break. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got Men's King 1, Briarwood 1, Barwi 6, Chris G 2, Rich 4, Hadley 1, Ryan Jordan 3, Roberto 4, Lonnie J 2, Robert Faith 2, Richard Menenzo 4, Zach 1, Martin 2, Rich with 1. 1 sec. Oh, yep, he played because, yeah, okay. Alright, here we go. 5 times ram.org, guys. I'm pasting column B next to the 32 spot, alphabet order. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Hallie Blue, you're on top, and Rich M, you're on the bottom, man. There you go. Blue Cardinals, Lonnie Falcons, Rich Ravens, Martin Bills, Bar Panthers, Ryan Bears, Robert Bengals, Rich Browns, Cowboys, Broncos, Roberto Lions, Bar Packers, Mints Texans, Bar Colts, Jags, Martin Chiefs, Bar Rams, Rich Dolphins, Zach Vikings, Rob Patriots, Briar Saints, Rich Giants, Lonnie J Jets, Rich M Raiders Eagles, Roberto Steelers, Chris G Chargers, Barwi Niners, Chris Seahawks, Ryan Bucks Titans, and Rich with the Washington Redskins. Alright, fellas. Ready to go? We good? Alright, guys, ready to roll? Right there. It's going to be DJ Moore to 99. 8 out of 99. Big old patch there. On card, nice. On card. DJ Moore, big old jumbo patch. Very nice. DJ Moore for the Carolina Panthers. Cool. Alright, guys. Let's see who has Carolina Panthers. Carolina Panthers going to go to Barwi US 67V SSJ. Alright, man. There you go. Cool. Column C, guys. 5 times. Ram.org. Whoever's on top is getting a free spot into an autograph mini helmet giveaway. Rich, I'll give you a spot if you're not the top spot. You pretty much had 10. Once, twice. 3 times. 4 times, 5 times. Chris G, there you go. And I told Rich you could have a spot as well. There you guys go. Free spots into bonus break 69. That closes out. 1841-1. Alright, guys, there you have it. Thanks for getting in. Nice Panini 1. I have a handful of boxes left. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to ask. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break. We go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks, fellas.